From every angle, the iQOO Neo 11 delivers a totally different visual experience, sleek, dynamic, and built with a real sense of speed. This is a phone that perfectly balances its performance and design. So let's dive in and unbox it together to see what makes it stand out. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Opening the box, the first thing you notice is the phone itself. Its shape and size immediately grab attention. Inside, we've got the charger and data cable. The charger comes with a Type-C port for universal use and supports 100 watts fast charging with a 20 volts 5W high voltage output. Vivo also includes a premium 9.2W data cable, thick, sturdy, and about 99 centimeters long. Now peeling off the screen protector, and wow, the front of the Neo 11 has a solid, rugged look. The battery area has a centered cutout, and the display's protector gives off a faint blue tint. The metal frame along the sides is also tinted blue, adding a touch of style. At the top, there's a speaker grille. And yes, it delivers impressive sound quality. On the right side, you'll find the volume and power buttons, while the bottom houses dual microphone openings. The SIM card tray is separated by an antenna strip to prevent accidental misplacement. Turning to the back, the peak color finish immediately catches the eye. Under light, it shifts tones beautifully. Every angle reveals a new visual impression, giving off that racing-inspired, high-speed vibe. It almost feels like looking into the heart of a swirling tornado. There's even a subtle, two-dimensional texture that adds a futuristic touch. The camera setup is clean and simple, featuring 2 lenses. A closer look reveals a 2x lens and sensor, surrounded by a triple LED fill light with dual color temperature. The floating lens design gives the impression of depth. From some angles, you see a raised ring, but from the side, it looks flat. The back design feels bold yet stylish, less rugged than the front and more youthful in energy. All right, let's check the weight. 217 grams, definitely not feather light. Add the protective case, and the phone feels more refined and understated. Moving on to the software, the iQOO Neo 11 runs on Origin OS 6, which still maintains the classic 3-section layout, something you rarely see these days. With a light-colored theme and slim bezels, the screen gives the illusion of perfectly equal borders on all sides. The chin is a bit wider, but the rounded corners are tighter than what you'd see on, say, Apple's flagship models, which now go for much larger curves. What do you prefer? Apple's soft, big rounded corners, or this more defined, rugged look? Let me know in the comments. Now, onto display and performance highlights. The Neo 11 comes with 1080p and 1440p 2K resolution options, a rarity at this price point. If you want crisp visuals and sharp text, this screen delivers. The refresh rate can switch between 60 Hz and 144 Hz, and you can even assign high refresh rates to specific apps. Under the hood, the phone packs a Snapdragon 8 series chipset and iQOO's in-house Q2 gaming chip. On Geekbench, it scores 3156 in single-core and 95572 in multi-core, right on par with competitors. The 3D Mark cross-platform score is also impressive, confirming its performance tier credentials. On Antutu V11, it hits a solid 3.4 million points. In real gaming, the Neo 11 performs like a champ. In Honor of Kings, it maintains an average of 119.6 FPS over 30 minutes, with just a 1% low frame rate of 111.9 FPS, super stable. The front surface temperature hits around 40.8 degrees Celsius, and the back stays near 39.7 degrees Celsius, drawing about 3.55 watts of power. For Genshin Impact, played at max settings and 60 FPS for 30 minutes, the average frame rate is 60.1 FPS, with a 1% low of 54.9 FPS. Once again, incredibly stable. It peaks at 43.9 degrees Celsius with 4.57 watts total power consumption. Thanks to the independent display chip, you also get advanced features like visual enhancement and super resolution super frame technology. And yes, Honor of Kings can hit 144 FPS at max settings. That's serious gaming muscle. Powering all this is a massive 7500 mAh battery that supports 100 watt fast charging with direct power drive for better battery health. In testing, it charged from 0 to 100% in just 53 minutes, finishing trickle charging by 1 hour and 11 minutes. After a standard battery test, 60% still remained. Impressive endurance. There's also ultrasonic fingerprint recognition, rare at this price. It's fast, accurate, and you don't have to keep lifting your finger during registration. The scanner sits slightly higher on the screen, making it easy to reach and use. Overall, the iQOO Neo 11 is a powerhouse disguised as a mid-range device. It checks nearly every box. Strong performance, 2K display, gaming chip, water and dust resistance, and excellent charging and battery life. For gamers who care more about smooth performance than photography, this phone is a fantastic deal. The iQOO Neo 11 starts at just 2,599 yuan in China, roughly 280 pounds in the UK, or $366 in the US. Outstanding value for what it offers. If you want to see our full in-depth review and more tech breakdowns like this, make sure to subscribe and join our tech squad. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.